How to increase bass on Spotify for iPhone. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase the bass on Spotify for your iPhone and make some tweaks to enhance your sound experience. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the profile icon. Here, go for Setting and Privacy section. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and select Playback. This is where you can adjust various playback options to enhance your listening experience. Next, find the equalizer option. Tap on it. And here you can make adjustments to the sound settings. Spotify has an automatic bass booster option, which you can select for a quick boost in bass. However, if you want more control over the sound, let's dive a bit deeper. To fine-tune the bass, focus on the frequency range between 60 Hz and 250 Hz. This is where the bass really shines. You can drag the sliders up in this range to see how it affects the sound. Experiment with different levels by tapping on the three dots next to the equalizer options to customize it to your liking. After making your adjustments, play a song and see how it sounds. Feel free to go back and tweak the settings until you get the bass just right for your taste. Hopefully, this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.